Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 21 from Madani Qaida, and today we will learn Waqf or pause. What is Waqf or pause in an Arabic accent or in the Holy Quran? We will learn in this lesson with example. Before starting our lesson, if you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Viewers, in this lesson I will teach you what is waqf or pause in an Arabic accent or in the Holy Quran. What is waqf tam? How do we pronounce waqf in an Arabic accent or in the Holy Quran? What is waqf? The meaning of waqf is to pause or stop. That is, at whichever word work is to be done, and the voice as well as the breath on the last letter of that particular word. I repeat, what is waqf or pause in an Arabic accent or in the Holy Quran? The meaning of waqf is to pause or stop. That is, at whichever word work is to be done, and the voice as well as the breath on the last letter of that particular word. What is waqf tam? This circle sign is called waqf tam. This circle sign is called waqf tam. This sign indicates or shows the completion of Quranic ayah in an Arabic accent or in the Holy Quran. We should be stopped here during reading or pronunciation or recitation. We should be stopped here when we have waqf tam or waqf during reading. This is the sign of stop. This is a sign of waqf. Let's see the example of waqf. We have a word and how we apply the waqf on this example. If inverted pesh, this is the sign of inverted pesh, comes on the last letter of the word. We have inverted pesh on the last letter. This is ha, is the last letter of this particular word. Then this letter becomes sakin. Last letter becomes sakin. This is the sign of sakin. This is sakin sign. When doing waqf, when we apply waqf on this word, the last letter which has inverted pesh, it will be changed into sakin. Any letter which has this sign, that letter is called sakin letter. This is the sign of sakin. This is sakin sign. In Waqf, when we apply the Waqf, this is the sign of Waqf, Waqf Tam. This sign is called Waqf Tam. Any letter which applies the Waqf, then last letter becomes Sakin. How do we pronounce without Waqf? This word is without Waqf and this word is with Waqf. What is the difference between these two? In this word there is no Waqf sign and its last letter has inverted pesh. And when we apply the Waqf rule, Waqf on this particular word, then the last letter becomes Sakin. And this sign is called Sakin sign. Now, how do we pronounce without Waqf and with Waqf? Let's learn. Rabbahu, Rabbahu, Rabbahu. Now we apply Waqf and we pronounce with Waqf. Rabbah, Rabbah, Rabbah. Last letter becomes Sakin and we pronounce as last letter Sakin letter. Rabbah, Sakin letter or silent letter. Rabbah, Rabbah, Rabbah. This is the example of without Waqf and this is the example of Waqf. Without Waqf, how we read, how do we pronounce Rabbahu? And with Waqf, Rabbah, Rabbah, Rabbah. Thanks for watching. Kindly share and like this video. I daily upload a video and kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.